Welcome to the knowledge world. A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane, A for axe. B for ball, B for bat, B for banana, B for balloon. C for cat, C for cap, C for cake, and C for car. D for dog, D for doll, D for door, and D for drum. E for elephant, E for egg, E for engine, and E for eye. F for fish, F for fire, F for fan, and F for fridge. G for grapes, and G for gun, G for goat, and G for grass. H for hen, H for hand, H for hammer, and H for hat. I for ice cream, I for iron, I for igloo, and I for ice. J for jug, J for jeans, J for jackal, and J for jacket. K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for key, and K for kiwi. L for lamp, L for lips, L for lock, and L for lemon. M for monkey, M for man, M for money, and M for moon. N for nest, N for net, N for nib, and N for nails. O for orange, O for owl, O for oil, and O for onion. P for parrot, P for pen, P for pin, and P for pan. Q for queen, and Q for quilt, Q for quill, and Q for queue. R for rat, R for rabbit, R for run, and R for ring. S for sun, S for sunflower, S for ship, and S for sweets. T for train, T for telephone, T for tree, and T for tractor. U for umbrella, U for unicorn, U for urn, and U for uniform. V for van, V for vase, V for violin, and V for vulture. W for watch, W for woman, W for wolf, W for window. X for Christmas tree, X for xylophone, X for xenopus, X for x-ray. Y for yacht, Y for yak, Y for yellow, and Y for yawn. Z for zebra, Z for zigzag, Z for zip, and Z for zoo. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.